Chapter 4. Connecting the API key. Connecting the API key is the next step to integrating GPT-3 into your chat interface. The API key provides access to the OpenAI API and its capabilities. Here's how to connect the API key to your platform. Choose a platform. There are many platforms available for integrating GPT-3 into your chat interface. Some popular platforms include OpenAI API, BotPress, Dialogflow, and ManyChat. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, and cost when choosing a platform. Log into your platform account. Once you have chosen a platform, log into your account. Navigate to the API key section. In your platform account, navigate to the section where you can enter your API key. Enter the API key. Enter the API key from OpenAI into the appropriate field in your platform account. Save the changes. Make sure to save your changes once you have entered the API key. With the API key connected, you can now proceed to configure the chatbot in your platform. This may involve customizing its responses, adding custom integrations, and fine-tuning the user experience. Logging into your platform account. Once you have selected a platform for integrating GPT-3 into your chat interface, you will need to log into your platform account. This process typically involves visiting the platform's website and entering your login credentials, such as your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will typically have access to the platform's dashboard or control panel, which is where you will configure your chatbot and manage other aspects of your account. This may include defining the chatbot's functionalities and workflows, integrating the OpenAI API and your API key, and customizing the look and feel of your chatbot. It is important to familiarize yourself with the platform's documentation and resources, as well as any tutorials or guides that are available, to ensure that you are able to effectively log in, manage your account, and configure your chatbot to meet your needs. Navigating to the API key section of the platform. Once you have logged into your platform account, the next step is to navigate to the API key section, where you will connect your OpenAI API key and integrate GPT-3 into your chatbot. The location of the API key section can vary depending on the platform, but it is typically located in the platform's settings or configuration area. To find the API key section, you may need to refer to the platform's documentation or support resources. In some cases, there may be a specific section for integrating external APIs or adding keys, in which case you can simply follow the steps provided to connect your OpenAI API key. It is important to ensure that you have entered your API key correctly and that it is properly connected to your chatbot, as this is what enables the chatbot to access GPT-3's language processing capabilities. Once you have connected your API key, you should test your chatbot to ensure that it is working as expected and that you are able to start using GPT-3 to enhance your chat interface. Entering the API key from OpenAI. To enter the API key from OpenAI into your platform, you will need to copy the key from your OpenAI API dashboard and paste it into the appropriate field in the API key section of your platform. This process may involve opening a new or existing configuration section in your platform or creating a new integration for the OpenAI API. Once you have located the appropriate field for entering your API key, simply paste the key into the field and save your changes. The platform will then validate the key and connect it to your chatbot, enabling you to start using GPT-3's language processing capabilities. It is important to ensure that you have entered the correct API key and that it is properly formatted, as incorrect or invalid keys can result in errors or issues with your chatbot. If you encounter any issues while entering your API key, you may need to refer to the platform's documentation or support resources for assistance. Saving the changes. After entering the API key from OpenAI into your platform, the final step is to save the changes. This is typically done by clicking a Save or Update button in the API key section of your platform, or by clicking a similar button in the configuration area. Once you have saved the changes, your chatbot will be connected to the OpenAI API and will have access to GPT-3's language processing capabilities. You should then test your chatbot to ensure that it is working as expected and that you are able to start using GPT-3 to enhance your chat interface. It is important to keep your API key confidential and secure, as it provides access to GPT-3's capabilities and can be used to incur charges for API usage. You should also be mindful of the terms of service for the OpenAI API and follow best practices for securely storing and managing API keys.